This side Deepak here. I am here to present how we can access the data of a form into the database. Here we have the design of form where we have 3 fields: email address, password, and the confirmation of the password. If we write the email data, any random thing, if we go for the next option, it will give a authentication that the data I have entered is not a Gmail address. So if we write any data other than email address, it will not take it. So here we have the password field. If we are not writing anything and we are pressing enter, then we have again a message that you have to enter your password. Let's suppose we have entered password. बंद कर दो थोड़ी देर. Suppose I have written a wrong password over here. The passwords with the last password is not matched with this. Then we get a message, please confirm the password correctly. Until we not confirm the password correctly, the message will still over there. Once the password get corrected, the data is get inserted into the database. Let's see the data in the database. Refresh from here. Here we have the data over here. Okay.